The brief. Silesia Party is the largest Commodore 64 convention in Eastern Europe. Our job is to promote it among Commodore fans and beyond. The insight. The event has multiple supporters, but many of them have forgotten how cool it is to use a C64. The goal. Let's wake up cool old Commodore computers sleeping in the closets. The idea. We created advertising that can be understood only when using your old C64. We created a simple 8-bit banner, but instead of placing it on the web, we broadcast it on the radio. The following radio spot was aired. The squeaky message, when played on a Commodore 64, revealed an animation inviting users for the convention. Effect. We cannot be sure how many Commodores came out of the closet. However, 3 times more people have already confirmed their attendance in the event compared to last year. The campaign became news in itself, a sensation on Commodore forums and computer magazines.